Hey, what's up guys? So for our first official video of 2021, we wanted to do a quick shop tour. We've changed a lot of things, we've added some space. So here's a quick tour of what we've got and who we've got. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to making more videos this year. We're going to be coming out with some real content. Been watching a lot of videos and some more how-to stuff to help you guys out. Please, if you have any questions or want to see any videos, comment in the comment section and we'll try to start making videos that you guys actually want to see. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the shop tour. Until next time, have a good one.